Now we are going to do the same thing again, um, and select the chain, duplicate, shift D, escape. Now immediately we have to go to outliner and press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, it is appearing. It is in active selection mode, that is yellow color. I am going to change it as chain filler. Yes, I'm pressing enter, and yeah, chain filler. I'm going to delete its all its replications by closing the array modifier and curve modifier settings in the property panel. I'm closing the modifiers, closing. Right, now I have got it in the only one piece I have got, that is enough for me. I am going to toolbox and then selecting the X handle and moving it towards the hook of the first post, cylindrical post. I'm pressing the dot again so that I can zoom in and then place the chain bead properly. And I'm going to toolbox and rotate it like this, and I'm taking the help of transform panel rotation X, typing 90 degree, and then scaling it little bigger. Uniform scaling, that is outside circle will be there, white color circle, that uniform, that is called uniform scaling, that we can use it here. And I'm switching on the rotation mode and then rotating and placing it like this. And this is okay. Now I'll scale a bit. I feel little, it has to, the chain has to touch the next chain bead. Yeah, it is achieved. I'll rotate a bit and adjust. Okay, fine. Right, now I have to make a opening kind of thing here. Though it is bit intersection is happening, it's not a problem, it's okay. Now I'll go to front view and switch on the X-ray mode. I'll go to lasso selection in the tweak cursor mode, and then I'm going to select the some group of faces. Yeah, selected. Now I'm just checking whether the other side also getting selected. Yes, it is selected. Now I can go forward. I'm pressing alt E in the keyboard, and I'm choosing extrude faces along normals and just extruding it like this. Yes, okay, I feel. I'm pressing alt A to deselect everything. Right, now we have done this. uh, little, maybe we can move it like this, right, and rotate it bit. Yeah, this is enough. Switch off the X-ray and just check. Okay, it is little, maybe we can move it like this. Yeah, bus. Yeah. Scale down. Okay, no need. So this is what you are also going to do. um, yeah, you can do this one. First you have to select the chain. You can do that, you can share your screen. Yeah, yeah. Ah, uh-huh. This is there. Okay, in this only we can do then. Okay, till this level we did that day. Oh, right, right. Okay, now you have to make opening kind of thing there. That maybe I will send you WhatsApp so that you will understand, because certain things, no, we cannot by, verbally communicate. So I'm sending. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I have sent you. So that fat part is there, no, like that you have to do. So for that you have to that part only where your cursor is. Now you have to go to edit mode, go to front viewport. Now zoom in a little. Yeah, a little more, little more. Yeah, bus. Now go to face mode, face component mode. Yeah, right. Now select. You saw the size, no, like that. Some three or four faces, rows you select. No. That is entire circle loop you have to select. So no. I'll tell you. This first in the toolbox you are seeing one first icon, no, box selection you are seeing toolbox. First is that one. There you just press for some time. No, left to. You are seeing lasso selection, last one. Yeah. So that one you make use of it. Middle part only you should select, not the corner part. So that's why. I feel in the front view only you can select actually. In the front view only. No. Just now you went to perspective. Right now you are in front view. Oh, no. You are selecting that. You go. You observe. You go and see the WhatsApp image. No. Only then you will understand. You are selecting the entire thing. No. Yeah. You see. No. That is that middle fat part. No. Where it is little. I have made the thing bigger in that one portion. No. You go back to the WhatsApp. Go back to the WhatsApp. Ah, that part. That part. Yeah. So only that area you are going to select. But one thing you have to select. It should be if this side some faces are selected, that side also. Yeah. The shift. The down. No. You do in the front only. Do in the front only. No need. That is why we have switched on the X-ray mode. It will select the that side also, other side also. You just have to put the draw the lasso selection correctly. That's all. Now it is selected. Yeah. Now, now you have to press Alt E. Second option. Yeah. Now little bigger. Enough. Yes, bus. Yeah. Now deselect Alt A. Yeah, enough. That's all. So now go to object mode and then you just try to rotate it and place it. No, you will get used to that. I want you to become familiar with that so that you should become good in alignment. Like no, move it upwards in the Z, and then rotate it downwards. Like that. Very good. Very good. Now, you are seeing one thing. No, you don't do anything. No, you are seeing one thing in the transform orientation. Can you show me where transform orientation is? Upwards. That is there is something called global. No, word it is showing global word. GLOBAL global. So that is called transform orientation menu. There you will see local. Just switch on local. You will see the axle handle is changing, right? Ah, I will tell you. That is you go back to global and see. Do you see the change in the axle handle? That is that is the axle handle. Yeah. So that is changing, right? Do you? Move handle or move gizmo, all that we can call. So now it is changing, right? Now which one do you feel comfortable, local or global? Yeah, so always local uh, transform orientation is very comfortable for us, so we have to always switch to local. Global is in with alignment to the Gizmo, right side you are seeing, no, one before outliner, one gizmo you are seeing, big gizmo, like XYZ for front viewport, right viewport, and all we used to deal with that. It will be in alignment with that only. So local is having its own axis direction, global is having the 3D space common direction. So always when we are rotating the object or translating, moving the object, we have to go to transform orientation menu and change, shift it to local, so we can do it easily. Sometimes global will be useful like that, huh? Right, right. Now next thing is we have to duplicate this and place it at all the other three spots wherever the chain is going to connect with the hook, no, in between that we have to fill this guy with in other spots also. So I will show you that how to place them. Then resume my screen. I'll go to front view. So I will delete my whatever I have made it. You don't have to delete, huh? I'm just doing. Right, after me doing you can do, huh? I'm pressing shift D, you can see what I'm doing. I'm pressing shift D and duplicating the thing, and now I'm using global because so that I can easily bring it down. Otherwise, no, if I use local, see, if I bring it down, it will go here. Yeah, so in that case I am okay. Now I need only global axle or global gizmo, so I will move it like this. Now I'll go to, now I can change it to local and then rotate it and place it. uh, yeah, this is okay for me. Right, so I'm going to duplicate this again and place it on the right side of the um, post, right side post also, where there also we need it. Now you see, you are seeing, you are looking at my screen, no? uh, uh. Now you see I am going to reset the rotation by going to transform panel and putting 0 everywhere. Okay, now uh, now I am freshly rotating it wherever, however I want. Okay, this 90 is okay only, before it was 90 only. Now I need to mirror it, so that, no, from there we duplicated it and we have brought it here. I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to option, I'm in object mode, going to object and then mirror X global. Right, mirrored it. Now I will rotate it and place it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, see, I have placed it like this. Now again we don't have to mirror it because we have brought that side to this side and mirrored it. Now we can just duplicate it and place it for the same post downwards. So I'm going to front view, pressing shift D and then pressing escape and going to global, changing into global transform orientation and bringing it down, again going into transform orientation and making it local, and sorry, and just rotating and placing it. Right, I have done it. So this is what you have to do. So now you can duplicate it. Other places wherever you have already that filler chain, no, that you can delete very carefully. You delete that, select that and delete. You see that it is not a chain, it is only a piece of chain. Then delete it. Yeah, yeah, share. Yeah, yeah. Now you have first, no, you can delete the other things, other chains. In the front view only you can do all these things. Go to no, 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 I told you, no, filler chain. In other areas, other hooks, there are filler chains, no, you go down. There is no, 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 come down, come down. There is the filler chain, no, filler chain means in between chain, where the chain, piece of chain, next chain, first one. Yeah, that is filler chain, that is called filler chain. Do you see the filler chain in other hooks also? No, 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 they are not filler chain, I'm calling this. See that, that is filler. Filler means where it will fill the gap. So yeah, yeah. So those spots and all, you have to fill with the what you have done, no, in the first one, first hook, that with that you have to replace. So now you can delete this one. Or you want to do here, the same thing, you want to select the faces, and also okay only, yeah, then you can do. Yeah, yeah, you can go to front view and edit mode, front view, always do selections in the front view. Zoom in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now go to lasso selection, you are already in. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah, the bottom part, you have to press shift actually. You just check now, go to undo, no, no, undo. Go to perspective and check other areas are selected or not, the other side. Now you can press dot or frame selection in the keyboards to check it. Yeah, yeah, right. It's all selected. Like this, no, you have to make sure and then do the next action. Right. Now you go to front view. Yeah, yeah. Now Alt E. Uh, Extrude button means shortcut. Huh? Yeah, yeah. I'm not getting actually. Escape. You press escape. Something is already extruded, I think. No, one undo you do. One undo you do. Yeah, it is already duplicated. Okay, so what you are asking? Tell me again. I will tell you. I will tell you. In Blender, no, that is how they have saved the screen space, or the size of the software is occupying. They are keeping many tools in the keyboard buttons and other tools in the menus. They don't want to keep everything in there. So if you are not comfortable with the keyboard, no, some people not comfortable at that case, in that case, you press F3 in the keyboard, F3. Now you will see list of all the tools in the Blender. Now you can just have to type it is like a search in Google. You have to type the beginning four letters or something, it will come up. Yeah, yeah, extrude faces along normals, little more you have to type. Extrude. Yeah, so you will find escape. Now we have to do extrude face along normals. It is the second option. Press Alt T. No, now for now we will use this only. Alt T. Second one. Yeah, yeah. Not too fat. Enough. Right. Now immediately press Alt T. Sorry, Alt A, so that you will come out of the selection. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you have to go back to object mode. Yeah, now you have done this, I think it's okay only. You have to duplicate this and keep on the right side also, or you can do the same thing there also. You can go to that place, those hooks, other hooks. Hook means the where it is trapping, no, that is the hook. In the post, you are having a hole, that is called a hook. Yeah, yeah. Okay. For this, no, undo, no. You, what you want to do, you want to move this chain, for that curve is responsible, this chain is just driven. Curve is the driver. Now you go to edit mode. There will appear a point. First vertex will be there with no first vertex. No, not the one. They are tangent handles. In between the tangent handles, one dot, small dot is there. Yeah, that one. Yeah, always do point selection. No, don't do rectangular selection. Yeah, you're right. Mm. Now you have to, don't forget to go back to the object mode and deselect the curve. Otherwise, you are inside the curve actually. Right. Yeah. Now you have to do here the same thing, like that closet or what opening space you have to create in the chain bead. No. Go to front view. Press dot frame selection. Now you have to go to edit mode and select the faces and then do the same thing again. No. No, you have to remember what you did for that chain. That same spot you have to select. That is in between that space. No, yeah, bottom and all you have to select. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Bus. Alt E, deselect. Always deselect after the action is Alt E. Alt E. Go back to object mode. Yeah. Now I feel you can duplicate this only. You can just select this what you have done, Shift D, and take it there upwards. But this time you choose no, not this handle. Go for global handle. This is local transformer in low. Yeah. So I want you to use all these things so that you will become familiar. Right. Now you place this one. Frame selection. Yes. Okay. Right. If you want to adjust, you can adjust. Yeah. 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 I will tell you one thing. I will tell you. No, no. Wait. Just listen me. When a manager is there inside the cabin, okay, or your boss is there inside the cabin, you are first appearing for the interview, and you are one of the candidates. You are waiting outside. Once he is calling you inside, he is looking at you only. No, he is dealing with you only. Now he has to send you outside, only then he will call the next candidate. Like that, no, you have selected that curve already, you are interviewing that curve. Now you have to go back to the object mode, deselect it, and then no, go back to object mode. Select this guy, down curve. Uh, no, please don't do pick selection. Yes. Now you go to edit mode. Now you are interviewing only this guy. So yeah, remember that logic. Always do in the zoom mode. No, go to front view or something and do it conveniently. Like in you, I don't know whether you went for kung fu or karate classes. In there, they teach you that how to do an action. If you are grinding a floor, if you are doing some kitchen work also, you have to, suppose you are lifting a weight, a bucket or something very heavy, how you should sit and keep your hands very conveniently close to it and then lift it, and how your spinal cord should be, like that. Same way here also we should deal with the object very nicely. Like, even they say, they take the example of how when a man will deal a girl when he is doing love making. So yeah. So this right side, no, still it is not inside the hook. You just check, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you can rotate. Now you can rotate. Go to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fine. No, 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 no. Sorry, sir. Undo, undo. You are moving the object, not the curve. I told no. Only curve is actually responsible for the movement. So, only curve you should. Yeah, downwards. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Yeah. Super. Very good. Now we have done with this. You can save the scene file as next version. Um, yeah. No, there is. No, no. Next version means if it is two, no three. If it is three, four, fourth version. Like yeah, yeah. Right. Now I will show my screen. Uh, right. Now we are going to make nuts and bolts for this one. So I'm going to add mesh and then taking a cylinder, and immediately I should be alert that I'm not clicking anywhere. You just watch my screen, no? uh, you have opened so many things, I think. uh, okay, so see, I have taken a cylinder. Why I'm saying, I'm asking you to watch my screen, when you are silent and watching, you will understand. When you are doing, you won't understand. This is the actually the human nature, mind's nature. It is actually when we are doing, we will just follow someone's instructions, but we won't understand. We won't have the time to understand it. That's why, yeah, yeah, we are. When you are an observer, you will be able to understand. When we are doing action, we will be, our energies will be in doing that, not in understanding. Any one thing at a time, it can do actually. Right, right. So when you are see, I have taken a cylinder. It is in the default place where the world origin x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. I can just move and show you. See, I have taken a cylinder, new cylinder, right? Now, okay, now it's gone. I'll take a cylinder again. Now I can see the settings on the downside. Left side I can see the settings. I am changing the vertices to uh, like 24 or something. I don't need 32 number of vertices. I need only 24 vertices, and I am going to not even 24. I think I will even make it less. It should look like a nuts, nut, this metal nuts, like that it should look. So for that, how much I should put, I am just trying to figure out. I'll go to top view and then go to wireframe mode. Sorry. And go to wireframe mode and just check, make it like that. Yeah, this is okay. So six, number of vertices are very less, six. Now I will see the height also is very less. So I'll just put point 0.2, but I cannot see the effect now. I will go to front view and see its effect. Yeah, it's very less. I should increase it, zero point 0.6 or something, or zero point 0.7 will do, I think. Yeah, zero point 0.7 will do. So now I can go to perspective and just look around it. Okay, I feel. And now I have made the nut. Now I have to make the screw also. So I'll go to add and create the cylinder. Okay, now it will come the same as it is. I have to increase vertices for that and make it small. You can see the screw here, cylindrical screw, and increase height here. Okay, fine. And make it stand like this, right? That's all. Now I'm going to select the Alt A, deselect, and select the top face, Control B, and then make it like this, look like sharp a bit. Okay, it's fine for me. Now I'm going to introduce a new tool now for you, but before that you can just finish till this level. uh, uh, you're looking at my screen, I think. You can hide also, you can hide if you are feeling this as disturbance, no, so many things are there. And we have to do take a new cylinder and do all this amongst the presence of all these things. So at that time you can just hide them like this, you can hide them and do also. So you can also do the shape should be looking like this one, see. So this nut is there, a screw is there. It's not an exactly a screw, it's going to be very small. We are going to scale it down very small, so we need not worry about the details. From distance it should look like some nut and screw are there, like that, that's all. So we have made a cylinder, two cylinders. One will look like a nut, another will look like screw, that's all. So you can also do that. Yeah. Yeah, now you can deselect it, the Alt A. Yeah, now go to, yeah, now go to add mesh cylinder, yeah. Now you feel no, don't move anything, because it will, that settings, no, left side will go off. So we have to change the settings now. First go to vertices, add cylinder vertices. Left side settings are there, no, settings dialog box, small dialog box is that black color. Down. That is dialog. So they are called settings. When you create a mesh, no, immediately your settings will pop up. So here we have to type 6. Yeah, 6. Only 6. Yeah. Now height should be like 1. You try to put, no, 1 height. That is depth. Depth is 1. No, go up. That is vertices, radius, and depth. You can see that here in the settings only. Settings. Vertices, radius, and depth. Third one. Yeah, yeah. Put 1, no. Yeah, yeah. Right now this is okay. Radius in little you can increase it. I think radius to 2. Radius should be 2. Right. Okay, fine. Now we are going to make another. No, this is very, height is bit small, no. Okay, 1.5 you put, no, depth 1.5. You can type it. You can type. Uh, yeah, very good. So now go to add mesh again. One more cylinder you can take, and we have to, yeah. Now in the vertices put 24. Okay, and radius like 1, and depth is like 4 or something. Yeah, maybe 5 you put, depth 5. Yeah, okay. So now you have to keep it little high, this cylinder, new cylinder, little high. No, bus enough, right. Now you can hide uh, the post in the outliner. The other previously we have done, no. Wait, one thing I will tell you. Okay, you got it immediately. What I wanted to tell you is, when you select an object, no, just select any object in the view, whatever you have. Do you see its name here anywhere on the left side? On outliner you can see. At the same time, in the user perspective also, there also you can see. So whenever you want to see the name, no, you just select and you can find out the name either in outliner or in the viewport itself, like this, huh? Right. Yeah, yeah. Now you select the new cylinder, no, latest cylinder you have created. Screw. Yeah, you can name it as a screw. Yeah. This nut also you select and name it, no. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now for this screw, no, top one should be little sharp, no. So I'm going to apply beveling for the top face. So I'll go to edit mode. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, yeah. I have done it. You can do edit mode. Yeah. Now Alt A. Fresh selection always we should do. Alt A. Now go to face. It is in face mode only. Select the top face. Top face. Yeah. Now Control B. No, 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 not in the modifier. No, escape, escape, escape. Control B here. Keeping the cursor in the viewport, press Control B. Yeah. Now scroll mouse button upwards. Enough, enough. Little width increase. No. Now you can do it here only. Increase the width little. Yeah. Let it become little like this one. Yes, that's all. That's all. Right now. Now we have made it a bit sharp, like a rocket's end. Right. Now deselect Alt A. We can go back to object mode, and I will show you. Now I'm just saving this because I have created this nut and screw. So if anything happens while I'm introducing the new tool to you, it should not we should not be doing it again the same thing. So I'm just saving this file as next version. You can also save. Uh, yeah, save as some. I think for you it is, I don't know which version. Next version you can save. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we are going to make a hole in this. Which one? In the nut. There is no hole, no. Generally, a hole will be there in the inside the nut. So we don't find any hole here. In Maya, we have a cylinder with hold cylinder we have, like that ready-made primitive shape is there in Maya, but in Blender they don't have it. So we have to make ourselves. For that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this one as the instrument to make it whole, to drill it. So yeah, yeah, I'm going to uh, I'm selecting the nut, going to add modifier, and then uh, going to generate Boolean option. Have you heard of this Boolean option in CAD and all? Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. So it's very famous option in all 3D softwares, no? Since 3D Studio version 2, before Autodesk was there, all 3D softwares were having this Boolean operation. Yeah, yeah. Uh, 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 Yeah, I will tell you. In Autodesk, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Rhino, like this, many softwares are there. They don't have proper rendering and lighting and shading tools. Yeah. So once you make the model, no, you can make a model nicely in SolidWorks and all. Very nice you can make, yes. But when it comes after that modeling, no, there are no much options, because that those tools only will occupy the entire space of the software. The manufacturing the of that company of that software, no, should see that it should be installable in all the machines, and it should not be very heavy with all the options, lighting options, texturing options, UV unwrapping options, all that should not be stuffed into that. You may ask them, why not you can you add texture painting, shading options and all into your SolidWorks, so that they you your software will become all in all out, like that all in software we can make it, no, like that you may ask that company. But they will tell you the practical difficulties. You cannot even install and open that software, it will take long time, so it is not practically possible. Only they can load some very, they can focus into one subject inside the software and create many options for that, and then for other things they have to go to next software only. But only in Blender you see many, ZBrush you would have heard, I think, ZBrush, Substance Painter. So all those softwares are inside the Blender. I don't know how, really. Maybe they have taken so much time, I think, to develop to to this level. So all are there. One more thing is, they won't do that. SolidWorks, Rhino and other softwares, no, they won't bring all those color, really complex shading and texture painting and other tools and all. They won't bring UV unwrapping and all, they won't bring, because the it is an agreement between companies that you do that, I will do this, I will sell this, you sell that, so that customers will come to you for that, and same customers will come to me for this one. So like that they have shared. It is a commerce. But Blender is not in commerce, no, it is like free open source software. They don't have to worry about anyone's agreement and all. They will just create everything and stuff inside the software. Only thing, it should be able to open and do. When we are, see, when I am orbiting the camera, see how easily it is orbiting. This is because you are asking, no, why not all the tools in the menu, why it is in some shortcut keys only it is existing, why not it is in menu as well as in shortcut keys. So because that is why it's occupying less space in the machine, and we are able to even install in normal Lofter. So that is the advantage of, yeah. So anyway, whatever you are going to do in AutoCAD, in SolidWorks and all, you will have to bring it to Blender, render it, like adding the material, shading, texture, all that, render it, and then present to the web application or wherever you want to put it, in YouTube or anywhere you have to put. But the dimensions, no, with proper dimensions, this is centimeters, that we can do very well in SolidWorks. That is why, yeah, that is why we can do the, that is, if you go to some freelance that is if you are a freelancer, you will go to company, ad companies or something. They will be dealing with some Ashok Leyland or some big companies, engineering companies. So they will give some this turbo engine or something. You please do make a rendering out of it. I want to do a display or add film and show people that this turbo engine has these advantages, like that. So for that they have to show, no, that mechanism or the how it looks and all. So for that they will have to, the ad company will say, I have the model, Ashok Leyland company has given the that 3D model with dimension, proper dimensions, but it will be very heavy. It will take some 4 or 5 hours to load in your machine. That much heavy it will be. So you have to convert it to normal model, workable model. You have to convert it. We call it remodeling, like that. So remodel you have to do in Blender or Maya software, anywhere. Then you have to put lighting, shading, texturing, all that. Yeah, come, sorry, what? Ah, yeah, yeah. They will use many softwares, of course. They will use many softwares. They won't stick to one software. And more than that, no, they won't depend on the software tools alone. They have R&D department. It will be like very big. Yeah, you must have heard that. So yeah, it's not just one department, one cabin or one hall where there will be some machines. No, it is a many departments amalgamated together. We call it R&D department. So they will, for years they will be doing research and they will come out of their own proprietary software. Yeah, but from where they will build it? From Blender or Maya only they will build it. For that, Maya will give software development kit. In with any software, this will come software develop SDK. So that SDK will be there. With that, they will develop. Upon that, they will build more options. More, it will be like adaptive to what they want to make. For example, Titanic movie. For that, the director wanted, oh, this is my requirement. I want a tool like Ocean. I cannot go to Ocean and shoot. It has many problems are there. So for that, in Softimage software, they created this Ocean. Software software. It was in 1997 and all. I was working there in Chennai. Yeah. So for that software, they have the company had to invest in that, do some 2 years research, and they made this Ocean software. So like that, they have money, no. So they are able to spend for one movie 8 years, 10 years. They are able to spend for that. So that is, yeah, 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 yeah. At least 5 years, 6 years. And those who are acting for that movie, no, they will sign up only for that movie. They cannot act in any other movie at the same time in that period. Yeah, yeah. It is call sheet is like that there. But here it's not like that. It won't work here. Of course, we cannot blame our people. It won't work. If we are divided by many languages, if it is made in Malayalam, only Malayalam people will see. If it is made in Maharashtra, that is what Marathi film, only Marathi people will see like that. So that is why now they are calling a pan India movie, and calling some, yeah, yeah. They'll make some Amir Khan or some other actor, and here Vijay Sethupathi from Tamil Nadu, they will make him, and yeah, like that. Yeah, it is just a view a commercial. That's all. I think if there is any pan India movie, no, there is one movie called Heram, in Kamala Hassan's. 96 came. Yeah, it's awesome movie. It's awesome movie. At the time I was like, yeah, I was like 23, 22 or something. It's about the partition of between Pakistan and India. Yeah, very intelligent. It's very awesome movie. It's like, so those way ahead of it. Graphics, yeah, yeah, yeah. And Ilayaraja's background score was done in Hungary, with symphony orchestra, philharmonic orchestra they call. All all Western music's instruments will be there in that. OBOE, clarinet, all will be there. Cello, double bass, all instruments will be there. He has to write notations for them, and many like that. It was very nice that movie. So those kind of movies, no, Kala Pani in Malayalam it came. Yeah, yeah, those, yeah, it's awesome movie. It's Malayalam. Malayalam movies are always very good. So yeah, script wise, awesome. Yeah, and that also Ilayaraja score, and he did in 16 days that movie. He was given a room in Taj Coromandel 5-star hotel, and he did the background score in 16 days in the for that movie. So like that, yeah, yeah. That is very rarely you can do 16 days one background score. No, it's very difficult. Background score, it's very difficult. Uh, but he did that. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, it is 2D rendering. It's like, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's actually they have mixed also the cell animation, also they have mixed it. So it's not just hand drawn also is there. So they have mixed. They must have colored in Blender, and yeah, some objects like set and all, no background sets, trees, sky and all they will use in Blender because it's big difficult when you are moving the camera. But for the characters, they would have used the cell animation, hand drawn animation. For that also they have softwares, other software, many software, free available softwares are there for the hand drawn animation. We need not. You would have seen Lightbox, I think. Lightbox, on that they will draw. Maybe I will show. I will send you some image. Lightbox. On the Lightbox they draw. Every frame they will have to draw. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Uh, uh, okay. This is 3D only. Yeah, yeah. This is 3D only. Yeah, yeah. That is, yeah, yeah. We can make in 3D only. Yeah, yeah. Blender is enough. This lighting, 3D, you can see the 3D objects, no? Three dimensions, we can see that. It is 3D only. Yeah, yeah. This quality definitely we can make in Blender. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Definitely we can. Only thing we need a team. Not one person. It is not one person who has made this movie. It is a team they have made it. And we need a very high configuration machines for that. Uh, because even little if you do no little heavy you do this many, see so many things are there present in that. If you see just for that door, no, they would have applied some 8K texture, 8,000 into 8,000 texture size I'm talking about. And that is only one texture, and they will apply color map, normal map, bump map, all that. So many 8K sizes texture on one surface, small surface. You can imagine how many surfaces are there inside the this set what you are seeing. Yeah, so you need a very good machine. That is why, no, that is why when it comes to 3D, people generally they say it's bit costly. Why? Because of rendering and these things. See, he is immediately showing the color, means he is having graphics, user interface, GUI he is having, means it will look like, no, in our laptops it cannot be done like yeah, yeah, I do have, but what I'm talking about is you would have seen this UPS, no, UPS, how the size will be like that, a separate uh, display card unit will be there separately. Apart from the big hard CPU, apart from the monitors, you will see a small, even sometimes a mini fridge like thing you will see. So from that they will do, they will be able to apply all these effects. It will be very fast. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mhm. Yeah, 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 yeah. All these things are possible. All these things are possible. Provided, no, we should first build your fundamentals. Then everything will become easy. Yeah, yeah. Only by practicing and dedication for this, for long time, no, it can be achieved. This is not 1 day work and 2 day work, no. You see how many objects are there. We call it sets and props. Set means the trees, everything, the ground, sky, everything is there. It is there, but still no, you will have some work. You see now you have so many technologies, still we have work, we are working 24 hours and it is not enough for us still. So like that, no, here also same thing, you will still have the option, you will still you will have more work to do many things. The more we have options, more perfection we will want to achieve. So in that case, no, we'll be doing work. So definitely work is there, in that we have to spend time, uh, our dedication, and first we should build our fundamentals, and then definitely you will be able to do that. Yes, yes. If it is something, for example, you are seeing something, no, on the side background, you are seeing some machine kind of thing, I think it's a juice maker or thing on, like that, no, you should first develop your thing, then this other things will be a outcome of, it's a consequence. It's a, yeah, yeah, it will happen by itself, you will want to do many things. But those first, like interior, exterior, uh, and that what are all the props are there, those props and all you should do. For that you have to apply texture, so many things are, one just one model we are taking, how much time it is taking, right? So many details are there, so that is the thing, actually time and energy and dedication, all that is there, definitely you can do. Yeah, yeah, definitely you can. Yeah, 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 yeah. And you are also doing, only thing you need to practice what you are doing, that's all. That is all I am seeing in you, otherwise you are doing it. Yeah, yeah. Even yesterday I was teaching one, from Australia only, one kid I was teaching online. Yeah, yeah. So he was like on that, while listening he was eating and listening. So because he is a kid, no, so he is doing like that, I feel. But that seriousness is needed, that dedication is needed. Yeah, in my time when I was learning, like all the time I'll be thinking about this only. If I see some wall or something, what is the shining specular for this, what is the diffuse for this, what is the ambient for this, like that I'll be thinking always. Yeah, it's a bit, so much hard work we have to put into that. Really fun, you will enjoy, I'm telling you now, really fun it is. You, once you get the hang of it, in the beginning it'll be little irritating and all. Once you get the hang of it, I promise you, you will not go to even office, I feel. I'm there, even that time I'm afraid, I feel. So that is why I told in the beginning that you don't leave your job, please be stay there. At the same time you can slowly you develop, no, no problem. And I'm always, even after the course sessions are over, no, you can contact me and you can ask me doubts in WhatsApp. I can clear you, provided you are practicing it, the same lessons what I'm teaching, no. You, if you are going by the curriculum, then no problem. Yeah, that is, if student is, like you are going to engineering college or school, you should not tell what the teacher should teach you, because teacher knows definitely what he should teach you. Then, yeah, yeah, that syllabus they have designed it so that you will, from the A to Z you can understand, then you can go for a rhyme book reading, then you can go for some little bit advanced reading, then you can go for novel, like that you can read the books, like that only the step by step the advancement can happen. So for that they have designed the curriculum in that. So definitely you will reach, no problem in that. You are already doing that. In fact, these much tough exercises I am not giving to other guys. Yeah, because I thought you are an engineer. You told engineering company, no. So I thought you are good in AutoCAD. Like that, I had some image somehow. I assumed like that. So I started giving you these exercises. Otherwise, no, I will generally I ask my students to model Rubik cube or small things like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So you would have lost in touch with that. Ah, ah. Uh-huh. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, uh-huh. Okay, okay. But I contacted you earlier itself, actually. I contacted you earlier itself, I think. I applied to you. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, okay. Right. So now we'll go back to the lesson. Only you have only till 12 o'clock. Huh? I'm just asking you. 12:30, no? Uh-huh. But only 10:45, no? Here. Okay. Right. Okay. After going to room also you can join back. No, it's okay. No, no. This one we will finish. No, texturing part we will do tomorrow. This one, if we are able to finish in this class only, then okay, no problem. Then okay. Till UV unwrapping, I want to finish, so that my I can uh, I can. Okay, we'll go fast. No problem. No problem. We'll go fast. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you the. You watch my screen. You let your screen show up. No problem. Yeah, yeah. I can see that also. Yeah. Now, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, okay. You have to see, no? Okay, you minimize it. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, yeah. Sorry. You can minimize it and you can maximize my screen. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now, I'm going to show the Boolean operation. It's very easy. I'm selecting the person who is going to be hold, who needs to be hold, who needs. So I'm selecting the nut and then going to the modifier, add modifier, generate Boolean operation. Right, I have selected it, and now I have selected this difference mode, not intersect or union or anything, difference mode. Now I'm going to the object. I want to see the object name here in the user properties. I can see it here. Sorry, cylinder point dot 001. Okay, now I'll select back the nut again and then refer the cylinder point 001 here. Right, now do you see that hole has happened? Do you see that the silhouette you can see? Yeah. Now you may wonder, now if I move this, no, that hole will disappear, because it's like that. It is a live hole. Whenever the object is inside it, it will drill. Once you take it out, it will get undrilled. So it's digital, no, like that's right. Now we have to make the hole permanent. How to do that? Now I'm going to select the nut and then going to apply as usual. This apply option I'm choosing, it will apply. Now if I move it, the hole will become permanent. So any modifier, if you want it to become permanent, you have to say apply. You have to go there and say apply. Yeah, apply. We have to apply. For that, shortcut is Control A. In the, you have to keep the cursor on the modifier and then press Control A. Otherwise, no, that Control A has another context. If you keep the cursor on 3D viewport, it is a different function. A is a different function. So yeah, cursor should be kept on the modifier settings and then press Control A. It will apply the modifier. Right, now this hole is bit small. I feel there should be a gap. That is the beauty in 3D, when you have a gap on the corner. So I'm going to make the scale, the screw bigger, little bigger, and then select the nut and then apply and say apply. Now I will scale down it like this, so that I'm able to see a gap also, as well as this screw also thin, as usual. How it will look, a screw will look like that, it is looking thin. So this gap is always a beauty in the 3D. it should not be so tight actually, but in generally in reality, physical reality, we see everything. If it is perfect, it should be closed, and if it is having no dirt and all, it is nice. But in case of 3D, no, we have to show the signature of time. It will after some 50 years back it was new, now after 50 years it has become old, all that. So that is always a beauty actually. So the imperfection when we are showing in 3D, no, it'll be nice actually. So right now I'm going to merge these guys. I'm selecting both of them and pressing Ctrl J in the keyboard. Right now it has become merged, so that I need not one by one move it to and place it and all. Wherever on the hook I'm going to place, yeah, I'm going to place it on the hook, so I don't want to move it one by one. So together able to move it. Now I will rotate it like this. I'll go to transform panel and rotate it, and then I'll take it here, bring it here, and then scale it down. In values only I'll scale it down. Point 0.1 I'll put. Oh, point 0.1 is too small. Point 0.3 is okay. Yeah, point 0.3 is okay. Now so it now you may feel it difficult to bring. What I am doing is I am using the snap button, horseshoe button. I am switching on and switching on the vertex. See, now it is in increment. Blue highlight increment is highlighted. When I move it, see it, tuck tuck tuck. It is on the grid. It is moving. Yeah, tuck 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 tuck. It is invisible grid. It is moving. But when I switch on the vertex, no, here in the snap menu, you see it will immediately come here. So wherever there are vertex, it will snap to. Yeah, like this. Tuck, 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 it will so it will snap. So that way I can bring them here. I need not move from here to here like a train. I need not move. I can just snap it on from one place. It will jump to the vertex. Now I will make it small. Ratio is very important in these things, so I'll maintain the ratio. I'll rotate it like this. Right, okay. Now I'll duplicate this and then try to mirror it. Let's see if it is coming all right. I'll go to mirror and then X. Right, okay. Okay, like this it is coming. I'll try another mirror. Okay, you have to rotate it manually. I'll go back here and then we'll go to top view and then move it like this. Now I have done this upper region. I'll just select both of them and shift D, escape, move it down and place it. Okay. Now one thing I have done, on other hooks also I have to do. Duplicate all the four, select all the four and duplicate them. When we are selecting all the four, we should be careful that we are not selecting any other thing. I am pressing shift D and moving it down and pressing dot frame selection. Yeah, right. Okay, fine. So now I will have to mirror this from this side to this side. So it's a bit difficult only. I'll do it. Shift D and then mirror, go mirror X and then move it. Okay, now again shift D, escape, bring it down and place it right. Right. Now you can open. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have yeah, you can yeah. Right. Now you have done now you have to boolean it. Select the nut. Select the nut. No, no. Nut means that that is a nut. Now you press dot, no, frame selection dot, yeah, little zoom out. Now little from the little up you see angle of elevation. Yeah. Right. Now go to add modifier, right side. No, no, modifier, properties panel. Yeah, generate boolean. Yeah, yeah. Now you have to give the that screw, no, you have created a screw. That screw you have to refer in the field. Black color field is there, no, object, in the modifier settings, that down the boolean settings. You are seeing a black color field, small empty field, that is called field. There you have to give that screw guy. You have to bring that guy here. So his name, what you have to see. For that you select the screw there. Select the not the above is screw. Looking like rocket, no, that one is screw. Now it is a screw, right? No. I just want you to select and see in the user perspective. For that, no. Yeah. Now you select back the nut. Yeah. Now you have to refer the screw here. Yeah, that's all. Now it is already hold. Hole has happened, but you won't be able to see because that screw is inside that only. Yeah. Now you select the screw. Yeah, you select the screw. No, select the screw. Screw. Yeah. Now you just raise it upwards. Uh, you cannot see, but you can see that when it is going inside, some yellow color lines should be there on the net. Okay, maybe now you cannot see. Now you have to make the screw little bigger. Go to toolbox and select scale icon. Left side toolbox. School box. Toolbox. Toolbox is left side. Translate, move, rotation, icons and all there, no, left side toolbox. That vertical. No. Toolbox is you maximize your window, no, your no, maximum. This one, yeah, that scale icon. Scale icon. That one. Now in that, no, not that one. Wait. You just go angle of elevation little more. You turn your camera angle of elevation. Do you see small square patch, blue color patch? Yeah, that one. That one you little increase. No, make it bigger. Not bigger, so bigger. Little, listen. Enough. Stop. Now, this size should be okay for the hole. Now you select the nut and go to apply. Say apply in the modifier. Yeah, right. Now you scale down back the screw. No, not Y. That is what you were, that blue color patch, squarey patch. No, that you have to deal with again. Yeah, scale it down. Yeah, not this much, only little gap we need between the nut and little a little more, lessen it, scale down, enough. So that you can see the gap as well as the screw like now. So you have selected the screw, and you have to shift select the nut also. Shift select nut. Yeah, so you always careful while selecting this, no any other things should not get selected, right? Control J you put, means what? Join, merging the objects. It has become one single object. See, in outliner you are seeing it is only nut, but actually now it is nut and screw together. You can name it NS or nut screw, like that, something. Yeah, no, yeah, that one. Nut screw, screw, screw. Yeah. So now we are going to place them. You can translate move handle. Go to move handle below you can place them wherever there are hooks, but the hook is very small, this is very big. So you have to make you have to rotate it first. Rotate, go to rotation handle, left side, toolbox only, all toolbox only. Rotation handle, that side, yeah, very good. Yeah, put 90 degree. Go to transform panel and type 90. Transform panel, right side. Press N in the keyboard. Yeah. Rotation, I think it is Y. Rotation Y, 90. Yeah, very good. Now scale. Yeah, it's correct only. It's correct. Now you scale it point. No, there only in transform panel. Point 3 you put for all XYZ point 3. Yeah, yeah. I think even more we can make it small. I think point 2 should be okay. Yeah. I think with your mouse some problem. I think it's okay. Now you have to raise it and keep it place on the hook where I kept. No, you can place it if you want. I will send it. Send the yeah, like this only you should move. That is like handle by handle you should move, not free movement. Yeah, correct. Very good. Now you, I think you can scale a little bit, scale down a little bit more. Scale. Uh, white color circle. White color. No. White color circle. Outside. Inside also okay. Outside you will have more control. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think smaller, little more smaller. No, little more smaller. No, make it small. Scale down it small. Yeah. Enough. Bus. Now, yeah, keep it on the. Yeah. Now, now you have to orient it. No, it's that the plane is bit rotated. It's like so. This also you have to rotate it to. You have to rotate. Yeah. Yeah. X-axis. No. Undo. X red color handle. In the yeah. Like that one. Very good. Right. Now this side is done. You can duplicate and keep it downwards also. Do Shift D, escape. No. Downwards you keep. Press move handle and keep it downwards. Below the hole. Yeah. Little up. Yeah. Now you duplicate. Only one you duplicate and then place it on the other side, right side, and then you have to rotate it. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. First you have to place it and then, yeah. Now, okay. Ah, okay. It's enough, enough. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. Now you select this one and duplicate. Shift D, escape, duplicate. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. Now these four you have to select, and then, yeah. Now Shift D, escape. Uh, now you just zoom out, no? Zoom out and see where the upper hook, that surface is. You can take this one. Take this one. X-axis you can take this one. Yeah, take this one up more. Now you just pan the camera downwards. Pan the camera downwards to see the upper. Another hook is there, no, upper. There you place it. Yeah, yeah. Now frame selection. Frame select. Right. That's it. So we have this side ready. Now you have to duplicate and keep it that side also. Now one easy thing I will tell you, so that no, it won't take much time. You just, yeah, you just control join. You just join all these fours, so that no, you don't have to move everyone separately and rotate it. Joined, no, joined. Now you go to global. Global, yeah. Now you x handle, x axis handle, yeah, move it, yeah, this side, yeah. Now frame selection, and it should be inside, I think. You can select in the outliner. Yeah, yeah. Now it is like turned, you know, you go to top view and just try to see how they are. It is like this. Now you have to mirror it. Go to sub menus, upper. After object mode and all, no, you are seeing sub menus. After that, sorry. Now mirror, mirror. I think what it is. Yeah, X only, X. Yeah. Now you can place it. That's all. That's all. Now duplicate it. Keep it down. You know where the same kind of hook. No, no. Yeah. Escape. Immediately escape. Bring it. Yeah. Now little up. Yeah. Right. So we have placed the nuts and bolts successfully. Now you can unhide the post, no, cylindrical post. What we have. There is one more cylinder was, no, unhide it. Mean not hide, unhide the. Yeah, that another cylinder post also you have hidden. That let him appear. Yeah. Now you can select that first post cylinder. Now I will show you. You go to front view and just keep it in view. No? Front. Uh, Press frame selection and yeah. Okay, like this only you keep. I will show you. Now for you know that for staircase we applied texture and all. Yeah, for that we used a smart projection smart UV project, like that one option we used. So UV unwrapping is generally is unavoidable. Any mesh, any model you make, after that you have to go to UV unwrapping stage. Now we are going to do the same thing only. I am selecting the first cylindrical post which we made. There I am going to add some lines because we are going to do the texture in the next section. Before that I want to do this unwrap. So for that unwrapping, for that texture painting and unwrapping, I want some to mark some levels, like when we are drawing something, no, we mark like with chalk piece slightly one stroke we do. From here to here this texture should occupy, from here to here this texture should occupy, like that. So for that we are using the even loop cut also we are using for that, utilizing for that. So now I have selected the cylinder post. I'm going to edit mode and adding the control R. Sorry, when we press control R, no, it will come in the middle only. See, when I take the cursor here only it will show, and it will be in the center of the geometry. So if I keep it here, no, zoom in and press control R, it will show up nothing. But it is already there here. I have to press escape and see, again press control R and see, oh, it is coming in the object geometry like this. So from here I have to press left mouse button and take it like this. Yeah, you have to take like this. So now I don't have to take it this much up. I'll bring it little down. Just above this hook. Hook is this one. This is the hook. So above this hook I want to place this line. Now because we did this boolean in the, there is used a knife object and all, you can see the hole there. You can see here some patches and something kind of that. So for that because of that there is a the loop is not complete. So we have to manually draw the loop. This is where a bit difficult it will be, but it's worth it doing it. So I'll go to knife tool in the toolbox and then try to connect here. I'll switch on the vertex mode, and then from here I can just do even like this also I can do, but I suggest you to do it like this, like this, like this, so that you will exercise it for that purpose. We will make it in the next action, no, we will make it. I will show you that. Yeah, yeah. I'll select the, now it has become the loop. I can press, I will deselect everything, do a fresh selection. I'll press alt in the keyboard and then press left mouse button and select the entire loop as usual. Now I'll go to scale icon. I don't know whether I told you about this or not. I think I told you in the staircase session, like special manipulation. We call it special manipulation. See, when I do press handle, press hold the left mouse button, selecting the handle, you can see black color dotted lines are appearing. Yeah, so they are scaling. I'm not leaving the left mouse button. I'm pressing, holding the left mouse button and just playing like this. So now you can see at the same time some values are running in the up left mouse. You see below the file, edit, render and all, scale word is there. Yeah, some values are running. So this is the effect. When I'm doing like this is called special manipulation. So now I will type 0. You can see the 0 is getting typed there in the scale. Yeah, you will see. Now immediately enter. That's all. Now it has become flat like this. It is no more zigzag, right? So now while UV unwrapping, you will know its purpose, why we are adding the circle here. The same way I am going to add here also, so that you will come to know. Again, once again you will see the lesson. I will control R, I will press and add. It will come like this partially. It won't be a complete loop. It is an incomplete loop. I'm going to add word. I'm going to connect these edges using the knife tool again. I'll go to switch on the vertex mode and drawing just casually I'm drawing, but on the line only I should keep the vertex. Press it here, press it here, not in between. In between if I keep, no, it will also add, but it is, we should not do that. So on the line, exactly on the line we should press, it will add up. Yeah, now I'll press enter. The loop is complete. Now I'll go immediately out of the tool because it's a knife tool. Any tool you're choosing, after its action immediately see that you're going out of it. For that, one option is W. Immediately you'll go to the tweak cursor button, it will go highlight toolbox. Yeah, now I'll go to edge mode and then select the entire loop as you like I how I did in the for the above section. Now I will use the special manipulation. You can see that black color dotted lines are there in the left side, upper side. You can see the scale running numbers are there. In the numer I will take the chance. I will just type 0 and enter. That's all. Now it has become flat. Yeah. So now we have added one loop cut in the top and loop cut in the down. Now, when I do the UV unwrapping, you will know its purpose, why we are adding it. We can easily identify where I have to paint particular design, where I should not paint particular design. For that, we are doing all this. Right. Now, you can share your screen. Okay. But you told no 12 o'clock. It's very 11:15 only. Okay, I just out of curiosity I am asking. Okay. Right. Uh-huh. Okay. Right. Now, yeah, we will finish it. We'll finish it. At least this one we'll finish it. Yeah. So, uh, wait, I'll show you. So, oh, this is yours. Oh, I'm confused. Which one is yours? I'm not knowing. This one is yours. Okay. Right. So now you have to add. Go to front view. Uh, and select the cylinder post. Edit mode. Edit mode. Yeah. Now you are going to add loop cut. Press Ctrl R. Yeah, it is already there. Now you have to take it upwards, just above the hook. Above the hook. Yeah. Okay, your hook is bit upwards, no? So in that case, what you can do is you undo, no? Undo. You come back to front view. Front. Yeah. Now again press Ctrl R. Yeah, you keep it just below the hook only, like this one. Enough. Right. Now you frame selection. Yeah, now you are going to connect. Go to vertex mode. Now got vertex mode, first one, first I. Yeah. Now choose the knife tool. That's the one. Yeah, very good. From there you can just draw carefully on the, yeah, on the line. Yeah, you can do. I just want you to do, but we don't have time now. Okay, you go directly there. Yeah, so that no, you will become aware that every step you should keep alert, and it will get that biological muscle memory we call, no. I want to bring that muscle memory in you so that you will become familiar with the navigation, all that. Okay, right. Now we go to edge mode. You come out of the tool, sorry, press W. Oh, okay, you, yeah, I think undo won't work. I think you can do it again, no problem. Yeah, that's all. Enter. Okay. Now go to edge mode. No, no, edge, middle one. Yeah. Now press W. No, press W. Yeah, yeah. Now Alt A. Now select, press Alt in the keyboard and then press any edge. Uh, yeah, that's it. Now go to scale icon, scale gizmo. Yeah. Now choose blue color, that is Z handle. Yeah. Now you are in special manipulation. You are pressing hold the left mouse button. Don't leave. Now you can see the scale numbers are running numbers. Now you type 0 in the keyboard. Enter. That's all. That's all. So do the same thing for the upwards also. Alt A, Alt A, Alt A. So sorry, downwards also, down portion also you do the same thing. Add, press Control R and do all that. Same actions repeat. Yeah, yeah. There only. Correct. Enough, enough. Yeah. Now you have to fill in the gap. It's already filled in the thing. No? It is filled in. Oh, okay. Because it is not after the patch, that hook patch. So that's why. Yeah. So you are lucky. Now this has been added. Now I think we have some more time. You can go to object mode. Now cylinder is selected. Before unwrapping, we have to do the all transforms. Control A, all transforms. Yeah, very good. Right. Now go to edit mode and select the vertical edge. Any that is backside vertical edge would be ideal. Yeah, any vertical. Alt press. Yeah, just zoom it. No. Uh, Press alt and no, no, this is horizontal edges. Alt A. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right click and mark seam. uh, Seam. Yeah. No, no, mark seam. Yeah, yeah. Now you go switch on the X-ray mode and then gray mode. Next icon also. Yeah, yeah. Now you can see clearly the edges you have selected and did mark seam. Now other things also we have to do mark seam. Maybe in the next class we will do that. It's bit immediately I cannot. It's bit takes time. Please save it as next version. So you can tell me what time you are preferring. I can also. Uh-huh. So you'll be in the inside the room or inside the library tomorrow? Okay. So only Friday it is half day. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. You told me. Okay, tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tomorrow we'll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no. That is 12 o'clock. You told no means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5:30. I think. No, no. It's okay for me. That is evening 5:30 for me. I think. Correct, huh? What I. Okay, okay. 12 o'clock. Oh, for you it is 5:30. For me it is 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock is okay. For you 12 o'clock. Okay, okay. So what time it is in the morning? Uh, After 10 o'clock in your time. No, we will see for 12 o'clock only. And let me just calculate. No, now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for me it is 8 o'clock. Uh, okay, I'll come. No problem. I'll come. Okay. I think I may have some other classes also. I'm for some countries. Yeah, yeah. So okay. Right then, if it's possible before Sunday, can you credit the 5,000 balance? It will be fine. I feel it will be nice. But in other countries, they will on first itself they will credit. No, that's how I heard. Okay. 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 Uh, that is, you see, that is, I want to tell you one thing. One is I am offerings on a session based, another is hourly based. Hourly based is too costly, 75,000 it becomes. That's why I'm, yeah. So that's okay. I don't want you to become bankrupt and all. So next week is okay for me, but please pay if it is possible. No, 15,000 in the next week. It'll be nice if it is possible for you. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Right, okay. 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 So tomorrow, 8 o'clock Indian time. Right. Okay. Bye. Yeah. Bye.